only girls live here, which is so awesome because I don't have to deal with any smelly boys, ever. And I grew up with boys, so I know how to deal with them, but I just don't have to. Like, it's just a special space for women to thrive and be women. And I think that that's what makes it so special, and that's why we should keep it around.
Yeah, there should be a spot for that, like, every campus, you know, like, there needs to be a spot where it's like I can, you know, walk in and it's like my girls, you know, it's me and my girls.
Yeah.
And I just think that, like, that's what makes this specific building on campus so unique.
Anytime we see a man in the hallway, we're like,
what are you doing here?
We're like, you don't belong in here.
There is no other name but the name that is Jesus.
One thing that we are so passionate about is worship, and so like one big thing for us was like, no, we're gonna have to leave our pianos and our guitars at home. Like, what are we gonna do? Like, they're not gonna fit. And as you can see, we have her guitar over here, my guitar back here. I love that Lottie Jane has given us enough space to just do what we love and do what we're passionate about. And the piano thing was solved because down in the lobby, there's this huge grand piano.
We literally like got so excited. We walked in and we were like, oh, we didn't even know there was
one.
To be overcome by your presence, Lord.
Sometimes we'll get like a few of our friends who also live in Lottie, and we'll just like go downstairs around the round couch and the TV, and we'll watch our reality shows. You know,
we love Love on the Spectrum.
And so we like to watch our shows and sing our songs, and there's always a spot for that here. So we love that.
Yeah. I just think it's super fun. Like, it's just a fun environment, and honestly, the nights where we've spent sitting just literally where we are right now, watching Criminal Minds with Sienna. Or
getting a large pizza and eating all of it.
Yes. We did that a couple times. So I think it's just so sweet, like, how friendships cultivate in this space.
So I think it's just special knowing that, like, I don't know, you can still make this home, even though you're only living here for a year.
Yeah.
Like, and that so many other people have been.
Yeah. I think it's cool. We could literally be in an alum event and be like, yeah, we live in Lottie. And
someone else
would be like, oh, we lived in Lottie too. And then there's just like that generational connection, which I think is really cool.
Absolutely. Like, this year has been amazing, and this is the spot that will correlate all of the memories back to. And so I think that, like, Lottie Jane is always going to be special to us.
Yeah, absolutely.
Should I ever need reminding?